Small cap altcoins are often where the biggest gains are seen in cryptocurrency markets to date. Now, if we take a look at the past, we can see that the likes of Bitcoin has gone from $1 all the way up to $60,000. Now, this is an unheard of increase, and it's likely that we're never going to see gains like this again for Bitcoin. However, the thing about altcoins is that they're extremely volatile, and often we can see extreme gains with altcoins such as Omi, and we can also see extreme losses with altcoins such as Omi. But before we get into the details of Omi, I would like to welcome you guys back to another video on our YouTube channel where you will always be getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. Now, it is also important to mention I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is not financial advice. Do not act on it. Do your own research. Today, we are going to be looking at the positive side of Omi and 5 reasons why it could go to the moon. And then later on, we're going to look at 5 reasons why it can go crashing down. So without any further delay, let's begin the video with an introduction of Ecomi, or their coin Omi, before moving towards the 5 reasons why you should have Omi in a bear market for the accumulation list. In simple words, Ecomi is a digital collectible marketplace with a focus on pop culture franchises that are based in Singapore and offers users the ability to buy, sell, and trade digital assets via the VV mobile application. DC Comics, Warner Bros. Entertainment, Marvel, and Cartoon Network are just a few of the licenses whose work features on the Ecomi digital marketplace. Ecomi launched its native token Omi on the Gochain network, conducting a private pre-sale and initial exchange offering (IEO) throughout 2019. This was done in response to Ethereum's scalability issues and high gas fees. Now, let's see the number 1 reason why Omi cryptocurrency could go up to the moon right now, and that is none other than the VV app. The virtual showroom of the VV app, which is available for download on Google Play and the Apple App Store, allows users to showcase digital assets kept in the Omi wallet. Users have the option to design and personalize a showroom. Users can move, rotate, and scale their items using VV's augmented reality feature. And users must first import some Omi and convert it into the in-game gems currency to interact with the service. VV is a unique experience among NFT marketplaces in that it is an enclosed ecosystem, unlike OpenSea and Rarible. There are restrictions on the possibility of secondary sales because VV only permits the storage of acquired and traded assets on the Omi wallet. And it just makes for a very closed ecosystem, and it brings a lot of potential to the fact that if the ecosystem is successful, if everybody starts to show off their digital collectibles of these big brands in the Ecomi world and ecosystem, then it's clear that Omi coin is going to be more highly demanded. When there's high demand, given supply stays the same, the price is going to go up. Coming in at number 2 is the utility of Omi, because this is what makes it different from other cryptocurrencies. So speaking of the Omi token, it is a utility token that serves as a medium of exchange when users on the VV platform buy, sell, or trade their digital collectibles. Omi also makes sure that the digital collectibles have an unchangeable record of ownership, and whenever there comes utility, it means there's going to be demand. So if a coin has utility, then the likelihood is that the more the coin is demanded, the higher the price is going to be, similar to the first reason we had on today's video. And a key thing for that demand coming in is having unique partnerships, which they do have with the like of Marvel and all of the other ones listed before we moved on to the 5 reasons. Then third on the list is the tokenomics. First off, we can say that the token buyback and the burn mechanism of Ecomi is a welcome feature of the tokenomics of the platform. Even though the transaction flow is somewhat complicated, it can still be summarized as follows. Each transaction on the primary market removes an equivalent number of Omi from circulation, which adds to the token scarcity. Now, lower supply, higher demand, price according to economics increases. But secondly, to do with tokenomics, 10% of the company's sales revenue is used to buy Ecomi cryptocurrency from an exchange, maintaining the liquidity of the in-app currency. And this is what Omi offers, because the transaction flow is intended to keep the value of Omi coin under deflationary pressure. Now, high demand, low supply, decreasing supply, increasing demand with deflationary pressure, that is in theory what should work very well in a cryptocurrency for helping the price go higher. But as always, this is not financial advice. This may not happen. The platform may never take off any further than it has done, thus the price wouldn't go up. So this is just hypotheticals right now, but you can see how in hypothetical situations the price could potentially go up given the circumstances surrounding the economics of the coin. Then fourth on the list is Gochain. OMI is a Go20 token, which means it was created on the Gochain blockchain. Smart contracts and decentralized applications are supported by the scalable, decentralized blockchain known as Gochain. Also, fully backward compatibility with the Ethereum blockchain is what Gochain has. Now, Gochain asserts that it is 100 times faster and significantly less expensive than Ethereum, while still being compatible with Ethereum smart contracts, which is a lot of big claims, and it almost sounds too good to be true. The final reason for which we believe why Ecomi or OMI as a cryptocurrency could go to the moon in the near future is the plans for Ecomi. Thus, if there is anything that Ecomi excels at, it is securing the lucrative licensing agreements. Only in December 2021 did the business announce alliances with Coca-Cola, Citroen, the Jim Henson Company, and DS Automobiles. Throughout 2022, a lot more partnerships will undoubtedly come. Additionally, people should prepare for the imminent switch from Gochain to Ethereum's Layer 2 Immutable X protocol, which has the potential to propel the price of OMI even further. And now, I hope everything is clear to you guys. I think the fundamentals of Ecomi are that if the marketplace continues to grow in size, then demand for the coin is going to increase. Now, if demand increases for the coin, naturally by the tokenomics, the supply is going to decrease, and so we can see an ever rising price. Now, again, partnerships are great with some established brands, but they can always fall through, and they don't always propel a cryptocurrency into the high levels of price and market cap. So there, we've gone over the 5 positives for Ecomi, and they all seem very, very positive, but there's also some negatives. So don't jump to any conclusions about buying the coin just yet. Do your own research. I'm not, and we are not financial advisors. Any information mentioned in today's video should be fact-checked, as there's no guarantee of accuracy. Thank you to the team, the script writer, and subscribe down below and stay tuned for next week's video, where we're going to try and look at 5 reasons why Ecomi could crash down. So subscribe down below, leave a like, see you soon.